Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your homes and are safe. So, in yesterday's class, we have discussed about ingestion. There are 5 steps of food by which it got digested, ingested, assimilated, absorbed, etc. in our body. There are 2 types of organisms: single-celled, double-celled, and multicellular organisms. Single-celled, we have discussed about amoeba, and multicellular like human beings. So in human beings, there are different organisms to perform the different functions like digestion, assimilation, absorption. And in amoeba, it is single cell organisms, so only nucleus helps or help in digestion, assimilation, absorption, ingestion in every step. So today we'll discuss about digestion. Second part, digestion. So, what is digestion? The process of breaking down of complex food molecules into simpler molecules. Complicated molecules, like if we eat chapati, then if we chew it, and then if we swallow it down, then it will break into simpler molecules. So, the definition is the process. Write with me, students, so it's easier for you to write, by which of breaking down food molecules of. If you have any doubts, students, you can comment it down. Breaking down of complex molecules into simpler molecules is known as digestion. So now the question arises, why the complex molecules should be broken into simpler molecules. Why? Because after breaking down into simpler molecules, it's easier for the organism, what we say, organisms, yes, organisms can absorb, or different steps can be taken out easily or can be done easily by the organisms or organs. Sorry, students, organs, not organisms, it's organs. Organisms are single celled or multicellular, that I have told you, like amoeba. And organs, the machine we can say for body which do these type of functions. So this breakdown is brought about by some special, we can say, molecules like enzymes. Enzymes. Okay, students? Enzymes are the special molecules which brought up the breaking down of complex molecules into simpler molecules. Okay? When enzymes react with complex molecules, the chemical reaction took place by which the simple molecules come out. When enzymes react with complex molecules, and when different enzymes react together on complex molecules, it will break down into simpler molecules. So this is the work of enzymes. Write it down, students. Enzymes brought up the breakdown of enzymes. Breakdown of complex molecules into simpler molecules by some chemical reactions. Write it down, students, fast. We have 2 minutes to write. Okay, that's it, students. Now, second part, absorption. Absorption. So, what do you mean by absorption? When the food is broken down into simpler molecules, then the important minerals and nutrients are absorbed by the cells of our body or some tissues, and then it got transported to our body. Okay, so the important nutrients and minerals and any vitamins are that is present in the food that we eat, and then the food is broken down into simpler molecules. Then the important nutrients are absorbed by the cell and our tissues of our body, so that it can be transported to the other body parts. So this is the main meaning of absorption. So now I'm writing the definition, students. The by which process by which the digested food molecules, the digested food molecules are absorbed by body cells. Absorbed with the sokhna. What it means? Sokhna. And then transported to the other body parts is called absorption. Okay, students, write the definition. If you have any doubts and you are not understanding any word, you can comment it down, students. I am checking the comments. If you have any doubts, you can comment. Okay, students, that's it. I'm going to tell you about the fourth part, that is assimilation. A double S I M I L I S C B L A T I O N. Assimilation. Okay, students. So, what do you think? What is assimilation? So now the food is ingested, digested, absorbed, and then it's turned to assimilate the food. Assimilate means to spread. Now we have seen in the earlier definition of absorption that the food is the important nutrient is absorbed by the living cells and then it's transported to the other body parts. So when it's transported to the other body parts, there are living cells present in the other body parts which then when we get the important nutrients, then they start to grow. It helps to grow the body or it helps to grow ourselves. So it's important to assimilate the nutrients. The definition is, so basically when the nutrients are transported to the other body parts, the living cells have matlab, the living cells use these nutrients to grow the body, or for the growth of the body, the living cells use that nutrients transported to them. So now I'm writing the definition. The absorbed food is serial wise: ingestion, digestion, absorption, and then assimilation. We have to learn this serial wise. Okay, students? Absorbed food is then incorporated into. Incorporated means transported. Transported means पहुंचाना into living cells and then used by the body for the growth. This is called assimilation. Okay, students, write the definition. I've given you the 2 minutes. Now moving on to the fifth step. Ejection. Ejection means excretion. Fifth step, ejection. So ejection means the Undigested food material means which is not important for the food materials. It is moved out of the body threw out the that undigested material from the body, and this process is called egestion. It is in the form of feces. Feces waste product, you can see. So writing the definition: the undigested food material is thrown out of the body in the form of feces. Okay? Spelling is this. Waste product. Feces means waste product. This process is called egestion. Okay? Write it down, students. I am giving you 2 minutes. That's it, students. I'm rubbing this. If you haven't written yet, you can take a screenshot of this. Now, moving on further, this is the basic knowledge of the food, how, why, what food is gone and eaten. Okay. Now we will discuss the nutrition in amoeba and paramecium. Nutrition in amoeba. I have told you earlier about amoeba and paramecium. Okay, students. So now recognize or remember what I have told you about amoeba. Amoeba is a sing around drawing the structure of amoeba. As it is drawn in the book too, student, but I am drawing it for you. This is the shape of amoeba. Actually, amoeba has no shape. इधर आओ. So here it is nucleus. You can make it a whole like structure. Nucleus. Here the digestive vacuole. vacuole, vacuole, okay. Here it is food vacuole. Contractile vacuole. Here it is some thick structure on the boundaries of the amoeba. It is called cell membrane. Thick structure. Draw this diagram, students, it's important. This is cell membrane. This outer structure is cell membrane. Okay? This is ectoplasm and inner endoplasm. This is pseudopodia. Pseudopodia. This is the diagram of amoeba, students. Draw it down. If you are not getting anything, students, you can comment it down. I'll clear your doubts. Have you drawn, students? If you haven't, then you can take a screenshot. Then here I'm telling you the process. This is amoeba. Okay. Here the food is here. When food comes nearer, it will make a pseudopodia-like structure. And afterwards, food is here. Food vacuole is here. Digestive vacuole, contractile vacuole, nucleus. And when it's come here, digested and then thrown out of the amoeba. This is the process. I have to draw these pictures too. I hope you have drawn these pictures, students. So that's it for today. And in tomorrow class, we will talk about Hydra and Paramecium 2. So that's it for today, students. Thanks and have a nice day. And do complete your work and send me the pic on the WhatsApp. Thanks.